Okay, this is the first lesson on Chapter 6, Circles, in the Year 1 Pure course. And we're firstly going to be dealing with midpoints and perpendicular bisectors. So let's look at the first example. So in this question, we're given the diameter and we're given the coordinates are where the diameter meets the circle, a minus 3,8, b 5,4. And the question asks us to find the coordinates of the centre of the circle. This is relatively straightforward. All we need to do here is work out the average of the x coordinates and the average of the y coordinates simply by adding them up and dividing by 2. So the centre of the circle is going to be minus 3 plus 5, the x coordinates averaged, and 8 plus 4 over 2, which will be the average of the y coordinates. So the centre of the circle is going to be 2 over 2, which is 1, 12 over 2, which is 6. Okay, on to example 2. Similar question again, we've got the diameter of a circle, except this time we're given the centre and the coordinates of the one side, and we have to work out the coordinates of where it hits the other side of the circle. Now, to answer this question, again, it's very easy. We can just do it by eye. If you looked from the x coordinates, we've got to go from 8 to 2, which is 6 back. If we go a further 6 back, that'll be minus 4. From minus 5 to minus 2 is 3 up, so you'd have to go another 3 up, which is 1. So the answer is going to be minus 4, 1, but we can just use a similar method to example 1 to prove that. So if I average the x coordinates, we'd have a plus 8 over 2. Average the y coordinates, b take 5 over 2. And we know that's got to be equal to the centre of the circle, which is 2 minus 2. So if we equate those, we get a plus 8 over 2 equals 2, a plus 8 equals 4, a equals minus 4. Do the same for b. B take away 5 over 2 is minus 2. Multiply both sides by 2, we get b minus 5 equals minus 4. Add 5, b equals 1. So a is minus 4 and b equals 1. Those are all the examples for the first section. So if you now attempt all the questions on exercise 6a on page 115.